I'm going to be quiet for a minute. I'm sorry to
I'm too passionate about the issue, so I'm going to shut up.
You have to really investigate really deep on what is really good, what is really happened, and maybe, like Simon said, it's really subjective. Sometimes a person is not mean that, but just maybe the person is feel that she is being bullied.
I think, and see everyone's perspective on it, but bullying, zero tolerance. Doesn't matter what organisation you're in, anything. It doesn't matter if you know you're doing it or you're not. Zero tolerance on bullying.
I think we all agree that the only methods of approaching it.
I think you always take responsibility for your own actions, and whether it's in work or outside of work. And sometimes, whether it's banter, sometimes things you're saying will be inappropriate by certain people. You know, if you're with a group of mates and you say something inappropriate and your mates probably aren't going to think anything of it, they might laugh. In certain groups, people are going to take it quite offensive. But I think if you're at work, you've got a responsibility for your own actions. I agree that should be implemented, but I would say that should be definite for all workplaces, really. Exactly.
There should be a policy that everybody agrees to. Rather than taking a whole approach to children.
Right, so it's always a thing about education, isn't it?
I think about how I'm going to say it. I'm not going to say it at the end of it. You might write something in there.
But yeah, I'm sure that we should be respecting each other, just being next to people, respecting others.
Yeah.
But that's the game. So it is bullying, that's going to stand out.
I think the more bullying becomes difficult is when the issue is not as obvious as something like sexuality. When it's something where you feel you're being picked out for something else, whether you feel you've been singled out, it's trying to prove that it's very difficult because it's not under one specific title. It's very difficult. No. I think it gives you more clarity on what the situation is. It's a bit more definitive.
It does give you, like, it makes you feel that it's more severe.
Yeah.
Than say if it was bullying because of
because of your haircut, so something like that.
So would you handle the situation differently
I think bullying should, regardless of whether it's a clean cut, bullying should always be treated the same way. I always believe it should be dealt with strictly, and I like same with yourself.
It's all subjective. It needs to be an informed decision, not based on bias.
And then if you do it
Well, with the employee act changing, so it's now only written, final, written and SAT, got rid of verbal. But I our workplace still keeps an advisory verbal there, which I think is still really useful. You know, I think if you have, like say you have the word to someone, whether it's documented as a verbal one or just a chat, you make a note of it. I think, like you say, that can change people's behaviour. Some people, you know, need the odd chat, some people need the odd slap on the written warning before they change behaviour. It's bullying is bullying regardless of what it's about.
Yes, I was going to say maybe some sort of it's not as big of an issue like someone who's bigger or quite small.
Someone's company with bullying, then obviously regardless of the situation, they're upset, they're unhappy with the situation, you would deal with it, you know, the same way. You've got to be seen consistent. Well, you've got risk of losing the staff member as well, you know. The amount of people, you know, in my workplace who suffered in silence and then left because of bullying is ridiculous. One of the hardest things I think for people who are being bullied is to speak up about it. It's the fear of, you know, what's going to happen to them afterwards. To be only having the one. I just think all bullying should be treated the same way.
Just because it's bullying doesn't mean it's bad. Bullying can be a one-off thing.
The only reason I said that is because if you want to raise a grievance in the workplace, you need evidence.
Yeah. I understand that, but it's just kind of bullying. It doesn't matter whether it's once or 100 times. It's still bullying.
Organisation performance, if it's happening endemically to the organisation, how would that affect the organisation? The policies that the organisation wants to deal with legal refreshing of the staff need awareness sessions, what a bigger well-being.
Maybe the organisational culture needs to be banter.
Quite clearly, you need to be said to a person who's been bullied or mistakenly, you need to support them, and to the person who's doing the bullying.